Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I've got an unboxing from a company I really like. It's called Locksmith Keyless. They sent me a bunch of goodies for an honest review. I think I can give that. They said, just check it out, see what you think, and give us a review. And I said, I sure will. So that's what I'm doing. Let's open the box. I can't wait. It's heavy, by the way, really heavy. Let's see what's in it. Come on, let's get into the show. Locksmith Keyless. Yeah, I'm liking this. I buy a lot of stuff from these guys, and they must have watched my channel. Oh, hey, there's Bob from Odin Lock. No, that's my buddy Neville down in Florida. Yeah, got to get back with him. Oh, back to the show. Yeah, Locksmith Keyless. You got to go there, guys. I get a lot of goodies from them, especially the lock picks. It's time to hit that like button. Tell your friends. Subscribe. Let's get back to the show. I get a lot of lock picks and a lot of goodies from these guys. Go to their website, Locksmith Keyless. Let's do a fly-in. I just love these fly-ins. Look at this box. It's wrapped in plastic. Oh, there they are, upside down. Locksmith Keyless. Let's get into this show and I'll show you what's inside of this box. Can't wait. Something tells me I'm going to get a pitting mat. Ooh, look at this, guys. They got their own wrapping stuff. Man, Locksmith Keyless has got it made. I did not know they had that. I bought a pile of leashy picks off these guys when they had them on sale. So if you're into sales, they've got sales constantly on their website. Locksmith Keyless is really the way to go. If you're looking for some deals, go to Locksmith Keyless. How do I open this? FedEx. That's a good company. Ooh, I want to knock everything around here. I guess I'll just cut right through here. Yeah. Over here. I'm probably opening on the bottom. I don't know. Ooh, I'm hearing some things falling around in there. Oh, this is too much fun. When do you get these packages in the mail? Oh, look at here. Oh, I think I was right. Got one of their killer mats. Okay, let's take everything out. Ooh, this is better than the one I have. The lettering's raised. Look at that. The one I have over here, no, it's raised too. I guess it's so old. That's nice. I love this mat. These are just the right size, and I love the color. That really pops. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in the goodie bag. Oh, hey, this is a nice little lock for your house. We'll go ahead and pin this up eventually and see how it works with pinning. For you locksmiths, see if it's even pinnable. I think it is. This is very reasonably priced. You check this out on their website. If you're going to build a house and you want to save some money, use these from Locksmith Keyless. Man, this is really nice and thick. I love this. Mine had some stains on it and I couldn't get them out. That's beautiful. What else do we have in here? A mini Locksmith Keyless. I did not know they made a small one like this. That's perfect. If you check the difference between the two, here's their monster one for your shop, and this is right out key truck. You just put this in your key truck or maybe on the back of your car if you're using an SUV to pin up some stuff. That's beautiful. Let's see what else is in this goodie bag. Oh, you know what else is in here? Look at this. This is some pinning stuff. This goes in your wallet so you can be like a stealth guy. Let's take a look. Nice case. Let's open this up. Look at here. Ooh. Hey, these are really nice picks. They are really nice picks. That feels pretty good in my hand. They're inexpensive, but you know what? All you need is a pick sometimes. And these are beautiful. Oh, and they got tension bars. Nice tension bars. Offset. And that's cool. Thanks, Locksmith Keyless. They said they were going to surprise me. No logo on it. Here's a lock, plastic lock. Ooh, I just can't wait to take a look. Oh yeah. What is it? Is it a barrel lock? No, it's a regular conventional key. Oh yeah. Looks like a Yale key. I'll have to see if that actually is a key I can duplicate. Sometimes you can't. Okay. Maybe this is the name of the pick company. I don't know. Well, we'll set that down. Look at inside this. This is too cool, man. All right. Oh, I got another plastic lock. Those are fun. Have you ever dealt with those? And this goes in your wallet. This is really kind of high end. I love it. And oh, there's another lock. This is like a Euro type lock. Goes in your screen door overseas. Those would be fun to play around with. What else is in here? Uh-oh, is this what I think it is? Is it gonna fit me though? You know, I'm getting older and something happens when you get older. What is this? Oh, ho, ho. Ooh, it's pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna be styling. I am gonna be styling, guys. Look at this. I love that. That cost some money to embroider that. Locksmith Keyless tools and hardware. I'm liking that. How big is it? It better be extra large. Oh, it's large. I don't know if I can fit it. Well, I'll try it. I'll try it. I need like an extra large. I hate to say it. That's nice though. Smells good. What is this? Ooh, just a regular conventional. This is like a rim. Yeah, rim cylinder. That'll be fun to pick. And there's that company again, ECS Hardware. Rim cylinder. Nice. Pretty nice. All free of charge, no strings attached. That's cool. Oh, here's another, just a key and knob cylinder. Is it by that same company? Yep, same company. Locksmith Keyless, you are so friendly and nice. Oh, this is Gem. You guys have heard that. GMS, Gems. That's pretty cool. What's inside of here? could this be? A mortise cylinder? Let's see what this is. Nicely wrapped. Oh, it's a best mortise cylinder housing. Those aren't cheap. I'll leave all the descriptions and where you get this and the prices. Look at that. That's very well built. You know, I'm going to tell you, you need to buy the knockoffs. Forget about buying the real ones. They're too expensive. Just get these knockoffs. This is a good company. Unless the hospital or institution wants you to really use the real thing, because then it matches everything, I would say these are beautiful. I mean, what can go wrong, right? Okay, what else is in the box? Oh, one more goodie down here. I've been looking for this. Now, this is SFIC 6. So that should tell you something. That should tell you a little something. I want to wreck the box here. Let's get, I think I am going to wreck the box. This is 4 keys. Oh, is this a best type cylinder? It's a master pick. This is master keyed. This is master keyed. They have their own master key system, guys. This is killer. Oh, I asked him, I said, hey, if you got any master key systems? Oh, same company again, ECS Hardware. I said, if you got a master key system, I would like that. I'd love to show that. Let's see. There is the control key. Moves that lug. Isn't that cool? So there's your control key. It should say control on it. It does. There's the master key. Ooh. And then 2 change keys. Is that what's going on? Yes. 2 change keys. Oh, and look at the bitting on it. It's really nice. No hooks there. I tend to find out that if you put a hook down at the end, these really don't like to come out of the cylinder. Let's feel it. Oh, that comes right out. They have master key that's just beautiful. Highly suggest you get one of these from these guys. They're super reasonably priced, and you don't have to master key it yourself. You just come in and bop these bad boys in and you are ready to go. No tools necessary. That's kind of important. That looks really great. And you probably could just imprint best on the front there if you have an engraver. Maybe a laser engraver. Yeah, you could do that. So there we have that. Nothing else in the box. Oh, I hate that when I run out of goodies. So let's pull this aside. Oh, is there? Hey, wait a minute, guys. There is something down in here. You're not going to believe this. That is for that mortise housing. That goes in the side and locks the cylinder in so it won't come out. I never use these. Those are Danger Will Robinson. So let's just check and see if that really is for that. I think it is. We'll see if that came equipped like that. Should be a hole drill. Oh yeah. If you use these and you try to get that core out, just quick change, you can't get it out because this locks that mortise cylinder in there. You see that? I really don't use these, but they're nice to have. So that's what was rattling around in there. We want to wrap this. I don't want to scratch it. It's got to be good for the show. I'll put this in my storefront lock. This is my storefront. Isn't that cool? I got that from Estee. There's a company there. I got these all for, I think this was 12 bucks for this stand. And I'll just pull out this bad boy and put in that mortise housing and show you how it all works. Okay, let's move some of this stuff aside. You know what we're gonna get rid of, don't you? UHS Hardware. This is a nice company, but they haven't given me any deals. So I think I'll just take this and throw it aside. Door and Lock Tips likes to have the wheels greased a little bit. Look at this. That is cool, man. Thank you, guys. Locksmith Keyless, you guys are hip. That is beautiful. I bet you all of you want this. I mean, I'd sleep with this underneath my pillow. I might just do that. That's beautiful. Where can I put that? I think I'll put it right. Yeah, I'll put it right in the scene over here. I got all my other goodies over here. And I think I'll just put this right in the scene. Or could I put it up here? Where do you think I ought to put it? Maybe up front right there? You know what? Maybe I should just put it right there where the lab pinning kit is. You know that lab pinning kit? I bought this thing and it came warped and it's never come out of it. I don't know why. I paid big bucks for that lab pinning kit. Okay, I'm going to put this bad boy. I'd put it in my truck, but I'm going to put this bad boy right here. Right in the center of all this good stuff. Southord, they've been wanting me to show off their tension bars. They sent me a whole set of tension bars just for fun. They said, give us a good review. I want to. These are beautiful. Look how polished they are. Southord, you guys are all right. I made fun of them. And they called me up. They didn't like that. So sometimes, you know, it doesn't pay to go over the top with some of this stuff. I was making fun of their name, and they're so proud of their name. They really are. And I guess I would be too. They're down in Florida. Good company. They make some beautiful stuff, and these are their brand new tension bars. So let's set this. They're so polished that I can't even keep them in place. So let's go ahead and push this up here, and we'll cover over. Yeah, we'll cover over the lab stuff. Or could we just leave lab a little bit? Yeah, there we go. Lab is really a wonderful company. If you guys know anything about locksmithing, you'll know that Lab is synonymous with the best pinning. Well, they make most pins for everybody anyway. Schlage, Quickset, everybody. They make their pins. So how can I do this? Let's see. I can go, well, I don't know. These are the Southords. So I think I'll put this like this. And these are other companies. They sent me these as well, other companies. You know, everybody wants me to show off their goodies. These are by Covert Industries. These are nice too, but you know what the problem is? They're serrated. See that serration? And that tears up your cylinders. And Southord said, we're not making serrated because it's tearing up the cylinders. And I thought, hey, that's smart. Because it really does. You pick a little while with a cylinder you kind of like, and it's wrecked. So we'll put this like this. And stick their goodies. I don't know. I guess maybe, I don't know. I'll leave that over there. There you go. That looks pretty good. Here, and here's, let's lay out everything I just got. So let's see what I got. I got some cylinders. They're ECS hardware, a rim, and a regular conventional key and knob. I got a Mortise, small format Mortise Housing Mortise cylinder, 6-pin. That's 3 things. Then I got this GMS Mortise cylinder lock housing. Great. I love that. Ooh, and then I got this killer Covert Instruments goodie. Let's just check this out. What is this? Oh man. You know, I've never owned one of these. Look at this. This thing's got a, how does this work? I hear it in there. Hear it. There must be a trick to it. Wow. I don't even know how it works. Could this open up? Look at that. They're real picks. Oh man, these are real picks, guys. You got a tension bar, which actually would work, and picks you need. So that is fabulous. And they go in this case, which I'll have to figure out how it works. So there's, in one item, I got how many picks? Let's count them. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of your standard picks and 1 tension bar. And it all comes in this killer carrying case, which will go right in my wallet. I love that. And then these plastic locks. Those will be fun. Those will be fun. I can't really open them up, I don't think. Maybe not. I don't think I can, but you're really just picking these. These are for the lock pick enthusiast in all of us. There's a nice one. Wow, this is cool. This reasonably priced. You get to see exactly what you're doing the same way. Nice. Like that. You want to get this for your kids so they can get you in your house. That might pay off down the line, everybody. And this one's for, I don't know, Euro style. That's pretty cool. Double cylinder. Ooh, cool. So I love that. Can't wait to try picking that thing. Oh, and then, oh guys, look at here. My polo that probably won't fit. I wish it would. I'd have to lose some excess poundage. That's pretty nice though. Very nice quality polo. Sport Tech, so it's a name brand. So is that all I got? Well, what more did I want? Oh, I forgot. I got one other item. Guys, this is a big item. This is going to go on one of my lock stands. In fact, where could it go? It could go, top part could go on my deadbolt lock stand. Yeah. Or I could just mount the whole thing on one of my stands that I have. I love this. This is so reasonably priced. So there's what I got from Locksmith Keyless. Highly suggest you go to their company. Great company. They're not paying me to say that, by the way. They just said, here you go. We want you to test out our stuff. No strings attached. And I like that. So there it is, Locksmith Keyless. All these goodies are coming down the pike. I will show you videos on them. So there we have it, Locksmith Keyless unboxing for today. Thanks again, Locksmith Keyless. You guys are the bomb. Thanks again. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Yeah. You know, I forgot, I did get this picking kit. That's beautiful. I got the pinning mats. Pinning mats, which are beautiful. I can never get enough pinning mats. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but they get old. And let's see, did the number change? 1-305-629-9599. Let's just see if it stayed the same. This is about 3 years old. The number's the same, 1-305-629-9599. Locksmith Keyless, you guys rock. Thanks again.